Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the utilization of learning resources in mathematics. Uh, Up to yesterday class, we have discussed about the ways of utilization of learning resources. We can utilize learning resources in two ways. One is uh, bringing the classroom, bringing the community to the classroom, and the second one is bringing the taking the classroom into the community. So, how to utilize these ways of learning resource? We will discuss in this class in detail. We have discussed already the two ways. One is community can be brought to the classroom. The second way is classroom can be taken to the taken into the community. So this is these are the two ways can be used to utilize the learning resources. Then one by one we will discuss. First one, bringing the community to the classroom, how it is possible. To explore the opportunities to the children, we should give the chance to the parents and the other members in the community by inviting their lectures or activities that are valuable contributions which can be helpful to the students. So this way, this means bringing the community in to the class means simply inviting the experts or parents, individuals of the field, particular fields, some organizations, experts, and sometimes the other students who are very perfect in that particular subject in learning the topics. So the bringing community to the classroom is nothing but the inviting and sharing their ideas and views and knowledge to the children of the particular class. So we can invite the parents, different type of members in the community, and individuals who are experts in the particular topics, and some organizations will also work on it to share their ideas to the students, and some experts in the field of that particular topic, and some students who are perfect in other schools and in other classes to share their views and ideas and knowledge to the classroom children. So bringing the community to the classroom is nothing but inviting the lectures or the contribution, inviting the lectures or sharing the ideas of the children or particular to parents, and other things are called bringing the community to the classroom. So how can we utilize the services or the services to be used to learn the things? We will discuss one by one in bringing the community to the classroom. If you take some examples, we can invite the surveyors, statisticians, architects, mathematicians, bank managers, and auditors, software engineers, civil engineers, and so many professionals to the into the schools to share their ideas, knowledge, to make the learning a meaningful one and make it the learning in a effective manner. So how these people or the professionals will help in learning the concepts in a better way? Let us discuss. First we take the surveyors. They can explain in detail than the teachers. Why? Because they are the experts in measuring the areas of the plants or what major areas of some places which are in the schools or classrooms. They can take all the dimensions and they can explain in detail rather than the teachers who are teaching the theory. So these surveys services can be utilized in explanation of the topic mensuration especially, and geometry sometimes. So we can utilize their lectures or ideas on sharing of the knowledge regarding the particularly measuring the areas and perimeters of different shapes of the fields. If you invite a statistician, he can analyze the data. So if we invite some statistician, he can analyze the data of the school, how to analyze the data of the school or class results or any other things in a detailed way. If it invite the architecture, he can explain how to plan the constructions with designs or other things. He can explain in detail. If we invite a mathematician, he gives a lecture, or he gives, as we can invite him as a guest teacher to share the knowledge regarding about so many issues which are not so perfect by the teachers, and he can share very better knowledge than the teachers. So we can invite the mathematicians to share his ideas and other things effectively with the students. And we can also uh, call the bank managers. Then if we invite the bank manager to the classroom, he explains how the banking procedure and the concepts of banking procedure, account opening, account closing, depositing, withdrawing, all the process he will explain. And you can explain also the share market and all these things in detail. So this is the way we can use the bank manager in other ways. And if we invite an auditor, he can explain in detail about the calculation procedure, how the income tax and all these things will be calculated, how this interest, but bank interest or whatever it may, EMIs, all the things regarding the computation of other things will be calculated, will be explained by these auditors effectively. Then the students shows interest to learn the things how to do it. Next, if we invite a software engineer, he explains how the software is useful in learning mathematics. And if we invite a civil engineer, he can also explain the structures and all these things, how to construct constructions, all the things which are related in using all these things. So if you take a civil engineer, he discuss about all the geometries and trigonometry and other things. If you invite the software engineer, he can explain algorithms and computing in 9th class and 8th, 10th classes. Auditors means he can explain the income and expenditure, all these things using the commercial mathematics. And if we invite the bank manager, he can explain the simple interest, bank interest, rate of interest, all these things very nicely. So these are some examples, just I'm explaining how the community can be invited to the classroom, how can we utilize their services in learning mathematics concepts in a better way than the theory which has been teaching by a mathematics teacher. So this we can take so many examples from the community which can help you to learn mathematics in a better way and mathematical concepts in a better way. So this is the way we can bring the community to the classroom.